Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to turn off background apps in Windows 11. Disabling unnecessary background apps can help improve your PC's performance and save battery life. We will walk you through each step so you can easily manage and turn off those apps. Let's get started. On your Windows 11 desktop, click the Start button and open Settings. Once we are in Settings, go to Apps and then select Installed Apps. To check which apps are running in the background, click the three dots next to the app you want to manage. If you see Advanced Options, click on it. Inside Advanced Options, you will find the Background App Permissions section. To turn it off, click the drop-down menu and select Never. That's all there is to it. Just select Never. From there, go back to the list of apps and pick any other app you want to manage. Keep in mind that some apps like CapCut may not show the advanced options. However, for apps like Camera, you will see the advanced options along with settings such as Power Optimize. We can turn that off, or we can select Never to stop that app from running in the background. And that's it. We have successfully turned off background apps in Windows 11. Our computer should now run more efficiently.